homo saketi Stephen Nyarikembunde aso kwarigania roboti urwo aso bwikira no asense mwendo murai Bw'Ense aseriti kuri tangani ritaro yaye imenyoro ngorwa Pwani nigaba mochirie abamereri baye abwatebire batari na kirenga kindi gionsi kyogosukia ense ya Kenya busio na koreta munchirerio na magendero ayuaganeirie bune serikali eri akora agenderete kwikirania kiga kichboigo nigo abamenyi gose abamenyi bense meyo barachikwenyorera chitaito deed chilifu 33 na 25 ase county ya Mombasa, Kilifi, Kwale, Tana River, Taita Taveta na Bw'Ense e county ya Lamu.
And I want to say, without fear of any contradiction, while I am here at the coast, for those of you who are visionless, the people who are agendaless, the people who have no vision for our nation, the people who have no plan for our nation, the people who have no agenda for our nation, you will not divide our nation using ethnicity. You will not divide our nation using hate. Hiyo mnafanya, the hate you are spewing. I want to tell you, one day, you will answer for the tribalism you are perpetuating in Kenya, for the hate you are perpetuating in Kenya. The life of Rachel will go unanswered. You who call others traitors, you mwenye mnawaita wa Kenya wengine wasaliti, mpaka mama Rachel Wandeto ameuawa kwa sababu ya chuki yenu, kwa sababu ya ukabila yenu, kwa sababu ya profiling ambayo umefanya wa Kenya wengine eti ni wasaliti. Siku moja mutajibu, na Kenya hii hatuwezi kukubali, hatuwezi kuwaruhusu mtuuzie ukabila, mtuuzie chuki, mtuuzie blackmail. We are telling you, we will not allow you to blackmail anybody in Kenya. You will not blackmail our nation using ethnicity. You will not blackmail our nation using hate. You will not profile citizens as traitors because they don't believe in your tribal bigotry. We are going to stand together, and one day, you will answer for what you are doing. Our nation will not go backwards. Our nation will move forward with unity, because we are one nation, one people with a common destiny, and Kenya is going to move forward. And today, as I begin my walking tour of the coastal region, we take another important step in this journey of justice and transformation, restoring ownership, safeguarding dignity, and unlocking new opportunities for families and communities to build a better future. I am happy to announce that we shall be issuing an additional 33,025 title deeds in Mombasa, Kilifi, Kwale, Tana River, and Taita Taveta and Lamu counties. Specifically, we shall be issuing titles in Kilifi Weru Ranch, Mwele Simakeni, Msabaha, Kazandani, Wachu Kodentu, and the Rongeju Registration Unit. For many communities, this moment carries deep significance.